The Department of Mathematics, Sardar Patel University, in collaboration with the Department of Mathematics and Statistics, P&RPTP Science College, Autonomous, Vallabh Vidyanagar, and the Anand District Community Science Center, proudly organized a one-week celebration of National Mathematics Day 2025. The celebration was held from the 15th to the 19th of December 2025 and continued on the 22nd of December 2025. As part of this initiative, a 5-day outreach workshop titled Visualization of Mathematics was conducted through mathematical models across 10 different schools of the Anand district. The program aimed to spark curiosity and inspire young minds by highlighting the beauty and practical applications of mathematics. The students benefited through this outreach program were as follows. On the 15th of December, the workshop reached DN High School, Anand, with 504 students, and BAPS Swaminarayan Vidyamandir, Bakrol, with 300 students. On the 16th of December, 230 students from Knowledge High School, Vallabh Vidyanagar, and 450 students from SD Desai High School, Bakrol Gate, participated in the program. On the 17th of December, the outreach benefited 300 students from Shri Daxinamurti High School, Bakrol, and 300 students from KV School, Vallabh Vidyanagar. On the 18th of December, the workshop was conducted for 250 students at Jabreshwar International School, Khambhat, and 150 students at SK Waghela English Medium School, Khambhat. On the 19th of December, 250 students from HM Patel English Medium School, Dharmaj, and 350 students from VN Multipurpose High School, Dharmaj, took part in the program. In total, 3,084 school students benefited through this outreach initiative, making it a truly impactful celebration of National Mathematics Day. As part of this initiative, the students of the Department of Mathematics first learned and explored all the mathematical models in detail. During the activity, models from the Community Science Center, models donated by Professor Hemaben Vaswada, and models developed by the Department of Mathematics. Different mathematical models were presented in front of the students, making the learning experience rich and diverse. The department students then explained these models to the undergraduate students of P&RPTP Science College, helping to strengthen their own understanding through peer learning. A dedicated team of 27 students from the Department of Mathematics and 20 students from P&RPTP Science College was formed to demonstrate these models to school students. Before visiting the schools, the students presented the models in groups to the department faculty members and received valuable suggestions, which helped them improve their presentation skills, clarity of concepts, and confidence. After this preparation, the teams visited various schools and explained the mathematical concepts to their fellow students in a simple, interactive, and engaging manner. Through this activity, our students developed deeper conceptual understanding, effective communication skills, teamwork, leadership qualities, and confidence in teaching mathematics. Most importantly, this outreach program helped reach young minds by making mathematics visual, enjoyable, and meaningful, inspiring students to explore the beauty and relevance of mathematics. Through this collaborative effort, mathematics moved beyond textbooks and classrooms, becoming a living experience that connected curiosity, creativity, and young minds across the district. Taking this initiative a step further, the students of P&RPTP Science College complemented the model demonstrations by presenting mathematics-based skits, first in front of the department students and later for school students. One skit creatively illustrated the origin of the number system, tracing the history of natural numbers and the discovery of zero, helping students understand how these fundamental concepts came into existence. Another skit was based on the concept of a geometric series, where single part is repeatedly divided into two halves, showing that the process continues endlessly. These abstract ideas were presented in the form of engaging stories, making complex mathematical concepts easy to understand, relatable, and memorable. Through drama and storytelling, mathematics was connected to real-life thinking, enabling school students to observe, understand, and apply these ideas in their day-to-day experiences. Such creative presentations not only enhanced students' interest but also demonstrated that mathematics is not just about numbers, but about ideas, logic, and imagination. Now, I will pause for a moment and invite you all to enjoy these glimpses of our activities. Welcome back. Now, let us hear from the school students as they share their experiences and what they gained from our visit.
ભારતના મહાન ગણિત શાસ્ત્રી એવા શ્રીનિવાસ રામાનુજનના જન્મજયંતિના ઉજવણી દરમિયાન અમે એક વર્કશોપનું આયોજન કરવામાં આવ્યું હતું. તેમાં એસપી યુનિવર્સિટીમાંથી ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ ઓફ મેથેમેટિક્સમાંથી 25થી પણ વધુ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ અને અમારી શાળાના 6 થી 12 ધોરણના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ પણ તેમાં ભાગ લીધો હતો. તેમાં ઘણા બધા વિષયોનું પણ પ્રયોગો દર્શાવવામાં આવ્યા હતા, જેમ કે જીઓમેટ્રી, એલ્જેબ્રા, સ્ટેટિસ્ટિક, કેલ્ક્યુલસ જેવા ઘણા બધા પ્રયોગોનું નિદર્શન કરવામાં આવ્યું.
જ નહીં, વેબસાઇટ દ્વારા માઇન્ડ મેપ, પછી સાંકળો, પછી ગણના સંબંધો, સમાંતર શ્રેણીના સૂત્રની સાબિતી અને પાયથાગોરસ પ્રમેયની સાબિતી જેવા પણ પ્રયોગો કરવામાં આવ્યા હતા. પ્રોજેક્ટ બનાવવામાં આવ્યા.
મોડલ દ્વારા શંકાઓના કોન્સેપ્ટ સમજાવવામાં આવ્યા. નિત્ય સમૂહની પણ સાબિતી પ્રોજેક્ટ દ્વારા હતી અને એટલું જ નહીં, પઝલ દ્વારા પણ જે ગણિતના પાયાના ગુણધર્મો હોય તે પણ સમજાવવામાં આવ્યા હતા.
To the students of SP University, Professor Sir, Maths Department, it's a very nice initiative. The students of SP University, the representatives, have dedicated themselves in this program. They were very kind and calm. They displayed each model with clarity and always with a smile on their faces. They have been, of course, on a tight schedule, but still they managed to teach us well. Their mentors have done a very good work at training them. Some ninth grade students are now clear with the concepts which they weren't able to in class. These activities help them to grow interest in the subject of mathematics. Very good tribute to late Shri Ramanujan sir by organizing this event. We thank the school for doing so.
Good and interesting, and all the concepts were crystal clear to me personally. So thanks to all the instructors and sir, you also. So thank you for teaching us this concept and for visualizing us, and it was really helpful. And I hope you come next year too because it was really interesting. Thank you.
Through this one-week celebration of National Mathematics Day 2025, we came together as teachers, learners, and ambassadors of mathematics. This outreach initiative transformed ideas into models, concepts into stories, and classrooms into spaces of curiosity and creativity. By reaching thousands of young minds, we not only shared mathematical knowledge but also ignited interest, confidence, and a spirit of inquiry. This program would not have been possible without the guidance of our faculty members, the enthusiastic participation of our students, and a warm support of the schools. As a team, we thank everyone who contributed to the success of this initiative. Together, we celebrate the joy of learning, the power of mathematics, and the promise of inspired young minds. Thank you.